Yeah.
So the flex panel is actually being powered and going through the HD-based T. So there's only one line going back up.
Oh, very nice.
That goes to the head end. That could be 100 meters.
Yeah.
And it's still.
So if we weren't open-minded on the flex, the beauty is you guys help with the programming, right? Okay.
Well, we'll help you with your training and if building your library, doing any of that fun stuff. We help with the library building, and we have a ton of templates available for all different applications, different manufacturers and stuff like that.
Right. Well, do you mind doing a 2-minute?
No, Okay. Basically what you're looking at here is our FSR infrastructure solutions. We have our standard T6 Flex table box here, which has our integrated flex control system and our retractor system. Okay, so our retractors are available with VGA, HDMI, DisplayPort to DisplayPort, DisplayPort to HDMI. We also have cat cables, and it actually operates just like your vacuum cleaner cord does. So you just pull out as far as you need, and then when you're ready, you just pull it back out and drop it in. You don't have to worry about getting into any release buttons or anything like that. It makes it very easy to use. Our Huddle View Flex, our T6 Flex is designed around our T6 box, table box line, which also integrates with our Revolution table boxes that we launched at the show. So any of the brackets on the inside here are interchangeable. So if you don't want to have AC in here, you can actually have a network connection in here, or you can have just USB chargers in here. We have chargers with integrated hardware so that Apple devices actually know what they're connected to and they wake up. Not all chargers wake up when you plug into them, so they're 12 watt, 5 watt, or 10 watt. And they play with that very, very nicely. What we're showing here is actually it's integrated with our HD-based T system. So we have the flex panels connected to one of our HD-based T switching transmitters, which takes VGA input, HDMI input, and the rest of the 5-play, it has Ethernet and is powered remotely by the receiver that's up in the box. So there's one cable coming from here, one Cat 6A shielded cable, to be up to 100 meters away from the head end. And that's going up to one of our ceiling boxes. And what's in the ceiling box is one of our HD-based T receivers that has 2 Ethernet outputs on it. And it has an audio de-embedding on it. So the audio de-embedding is going to one of our amplifiers, and the network connection is we have a mini network going here, basically, an AV control network. So what's going on is then actually the other Ethernet output is connected to another receiver that we have up there. So we actually have 3 receivers up there to make the mini network. And then the other receiver is connected to our wall plate transmitter here, and is being powered by that receiver as well. So our HD-based T wall plate, which is a switcher also, HDMI and VGA, plus an IR window on the front and a selector button on there, has 12 volts and Ethernet out, which are control, feeding, powering, and allowing the control communication for our flex panel. So there's no local power required at all. Everything's going back to the head end through one Cat 6A shielded cable. Again, could be another 100 meters out. So you could have this 100 meters that way, you can have this 100 meters that way, and you can have your whole system. And everything, as you can see if you watch here, everything is in sync. And so you have everything where, if you have somebody doing input from the front of the classroom or in a conference room where you have this on the wall where they first walk in, and this is at the table, do live updates, and again, you're still only pulling one cable, so it helps you with your
And this might be behind the TV, for example, this plate, since it's an output.
This is an input.
Oh, it's an input.
This is an input. Yeah. So this has IR in and out on it also. So if you had an application where they could put the cable TV box up in the ceiling and just point the remote at the wall.
I couldn't get a connection. All right, well, look, I'll reach out.